I thought I'd bring this one into the mix. Now, this is a Swann Morton Universal Scalpel Blade Remover. So that's the tool. It's just really a plastic box and you can't get into it. There's no way of getting into it. So once your blade goes in, you've lost it. Hence why I'm using older blades for this demonstration. So the idea is that this is how it works. Is the blade goes in to position, which is there, and you can see that it's got to land roughly there, so that when you press down it pushes the blade up, and then you pull back and it catches on the bottom bit there, and the blade should come off. It's not the best tool in the world, this, right? But it's a way of keeping your blade safe out of range. There's nothing, you know, I don't know. You know, I've seen people, they just chuck them in a bin, which is the most dangerous thing you can do. So that's what it goes in, and then as you lift up, the blade just stops in, and you can't get the blade out. The blade's now gone. That's how it works. That one. I'll do it again. I've got another one here. So you push the blade in, it's facing down, so the blade goes in down, and you just want it to catch in the groove. So the groove is actually what pushes the blade up. It's very difficult to see from this angle, but you push down like so, and then the blade is actually touching the top of this. So when you pull it out, as you see, it's still quite a pull, but it keeps the blade safe. In it goes, and then it's gone. And that's just a tool that they use. The way I get rid of blades, the best way is using the good old-fashioned masking tape method. So what I do is I take the masking tape to here, like so, and then I actually affix the blade to the masking tape, like this. So the blade gets fixed, I fold the tape over, and then what I then do is pull a big chunk off. So I'm not, you know, trying to protect my hands, like so, and then I just gently put a loop in the top and go around, and then again put a loop near the top and around. And as you can see, it's very difficult to cut yourself, especially when you've got that extra bit. I don't think you can see it in the light there. There's an extra bit there, and if you feel that it needs a little bit more, there's nothing wrong with you just over the tape, pushing it back on there, and then pull, cut a bit off. And again, you know, you can even fatten that bit up there. Just do that, just to give it a bit of protection. Then go over it diagonally. This is how I do it, you know. This is how I bin all my scalpel blades, and that way there's no way that blade's gonna end up hurting anyone. That just go in the bin, out the way. So that's how I get rid of the blades as well.